Hello friends, this is Velumaniyam, teacher in English. Welcome to my class, English Grammar. In the last class, we have learnt that noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea or feelings. Today, in this class, let's discuss the types of nouns. Look at these pictures and their names. He is a man. His name is Madan. She is a woman. Her name is Deepa. This is a car. The name of the car is Nano. It's a map of a country. India is our country. This is a school. My school name is Adarsha Vidyalaya. Now compare the two sets of words with the pictures. In the first set of words, man, woman, car, country and school are the names given in common to every person, place or things. Such types of naming words are called as common nouns. So here the names are not specific. In the second set of words, Madan, Deepa, Nano, India and Adarsha Vidyalaya are the names given to some particular person, place or things. These types of nouns are called as proper nouns. That is, the names are specific. So, what are common nouns? Common nouns are the names given in common to every person, place or things of same kind. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಸ್ಥಳ ಹಾಗೂ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಹೆಸರಿನಿಂದ ಕರೆಯುವುದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. For example, man, woman and country, etc. What are proper nouns then? Proper nouns are the names of specific persons, places or things. Example, Madan, Deepa, India, etc. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಸ್ಥಳ ಹಾಗೂ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿನಿಂದ ಕರೆಯುವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. So look at this set of pictures. It's a bunch of keys, a team of Indian cricket players, a galaxy of stars, an army of soldiers, a cattle of cows, a crowd of people. As in the above, the nouns bunch, team, galaxy, army, cattle and crowd are the names of a group of persons, animals or things. This type of nouns are called as collective nouns. So what are collective nouns? Collective nouns are the naming words of a group of person, animals or things. So let's see the next set of pictures and their names. His voice was full of anger. Knowledge is power. Beauty is not permanent. Truth is always bitter. Freedom is our birthright. Here, the naming words anger, knowledge, beauty, truth, and freedom are the names of qualities or feelings or ideas. These types of words are called as abstract nouns. So, what are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are the names of qualities, feelings, or ideas. Let's see the last set of pictures and their names. It's a piece of paper. This chair is made of wood. Milk is a complete food. Gold is a precious metal. I like this pen. Iron, be careful of the hot iron. Here, the naming words paper, milk, gold, pen, iron are the names of a material or substance. What is material noun? Material noun is the names of a material or substance or things. So let's conclude that there are 5 types of nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Let's see the example now. For common noun, example boy, city, country. Proper noun, example Kiran, Mysore, India. Collective noun, example crowd, team, bunch. Abstract noun, example beauty, anger, knowledge. Material noun, example milk, wood, and gold, etc. So let's move on to the exercises on what we learnt today. Identify the nouns and name their types. Example number 1. Kuvempu was a great poet. In this sentence, there are 2 nouns, Kuvempu, proper noun, and poet, common noun. The Ganga is a sacred river. Here, Ganga is proper noun and river is common noun. Indian Army is famous for bravery. Here, army is collective noun and bravery is abstract noun. Oil floats on water. Here, oil and water both are material nouns. Kannada is a regional language. Here Kannada is proper noun, language is common noun. December is the coldest month. In this sentence, December is proper noun and month is common noun. Priya is staying with her aunt in Mumbai. In this sentence, there are three nouns: Priya, proper noun; aunt, common noun; Mumbai, proper noun. Gold is a precious metal. In this sentence, gold is material noun and metal is common noun. A team of doctors worked hard. In this sentence, team is collective noun, doctor is common noun. The last sentence is New Delhi is the capital city of India. In this sentence, there are three nouns. Here, New Delhi is proper noun, city is common noun, and India is proper noun. So, I hope you are able to identify the different types of noun in a sentence quite easily. Thanks for watching. See you soon with the next lesson.